Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system option. Now we have to tap on Backup. And as you can see, we will be immediately and automatically transferred to the Google account. So the backup in this device is only by using the Google one. So let's tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, so the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And a quick disclaimer, if you've got your account already added to this device, then it will be automatically uploaded to this backup section, so you will not have to go through all the steps, which I will just show you. So from this step, we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer again, if you don't have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, and after tapping on next, your device will autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. All right, now let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And here we've got the info about our Google One and about the whole backup. So as you can see, you're able to use 15 GB of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, if you want to, you can simply tap on more details to learn more. Your device will back up the data automatically, so you don't have to do actually anything. We'll store it securely, so of course it will be logged, and only you will have the access to the data. And you will be, of course, manage the backup whenever you want to. So let's just tap on Turn On, and we've been transferred to the backup section. As you can see here, we've got the line which is connected with the account storage. You can see how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some kind of files or anything which you don't need. Under it, you've got some backup details, so basically what parts has been backed up already. And here you've got the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so your device will simply back up the data only by using the Wi-Fi. Thanks to keeping this option off, you can be sure that you will avoid some payments, some charges. So that's really good to keep it turned off. And basically, to finish the whole operation, to start backing up the data, just tap on Backup Now. And as you can see, your device will simply back up the data. So basically that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Lenovo TAB M11 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.